I will continue explaining lesson number 5. Every animal in the jungle feared the red flower, the fire, burning fire, what man called fire. Mowgli agreed to get the fire from the village, and before he left, he put his arm around the panther's beautiful. He embraced Bagheera around the panther's beautiful silky black neck and looked deep into his eyes and asked Bagheera, "Are you sure Sher Khan is behind all this? Is Sher Khan doing all this? Is Sher Khan planning all this? That Sher Khan is planning to kill me? I am sure, little brother. Then the bull that bought me, I will pay him back for this." Means I will pay the price. I will pay, or rather I will revenge the bull which was paid for me. I will take a revenge, or I will fight with that Sher Khan. When Mowgli arrived at the village, he looked through one of the windows of a hut and saw a fire. When Mowgli reached village, he saw the fire from one of the window. He stayed by the window until early morning. Means where he stayed there near the window till the morning, early morning. When he saw a child pick up a pot and put red hot pieces from the fire in it. In the morning, he saw the child picking up the fire from the place and putting it into the pot. Fine. Is that all? If a child can do it, I can do it. Mowgli says, if a small child can pick up the fire, even I can do it. Moving like Bagheera himself, he walked quietly around the corner of the hut and grabbed the fire pot. Means Bagheera walked slowly, so he moved like Bagheera quietly around the corner of the hut and pulled the fire pot. Before the boy could cry out for help, Mowgli turned and ran into the jungle. Mowgli turned and ran into the jungle with the fire pot. Turn to page number 35. All that day he sat in a cave looking after the fire, feeding it with dry sticks and leaves. Means after taking the fire, he sat in a cave for the night, all the day. Whole day he sat down in the cave and took care of the fire and kept it burning by putting dry leaves and sticks in the fire. He found a good dry branch to use later as a torch. Means big, thick log of wood. He found a dry branch, and he found it a good thing for a torch to be burnt. That night he went to Council Rock smiling. Why? Because he was safe with the red flower, the fire. Akela did not lie on his rock that night, but next to it, to show he was not the leader anymore. Now Akela, the leader of the pack, now didn't sit on the hill, because he sat near the hill, right? Near the rock, He sat near the rock, showing that he is no more a leader. Bagheera lay close to Mowgli. Bagheera was sitting near Mowgli, who had the fire pot between his feet. Mowgli was having fire pot between his feet. For the first time at a council meeting, Sher Khan dared to speak. Earlier, Sher Khan was not supposed to talk, or was not had not so much fear to speak in the meeting. But this was the first time when he had dare. He was brave enough to speak in the council. Bagheera spoke quietly into Mowgli's ear. Now when Sher Khan started to speak, Bagheera spoke something into Mowgli's ear. Sher Khan has no place here, say so. Bagheera asked Mowgli to speak that Sher Khan, you don't have any place here. Mowgli jumped to his feet. Does Sher Khan lead the pack now? Means, is Sher Khan the leader of the wolves? What right does a tiger have to speak? What is the right of a tiger to speak in the meeting of the wolves? The pack has no leader, so they have asked me to speak. The tiger speaks. Sher Khan says कि pack has no leader now. As Akela has stepped down from his leadership, there is no leader. So they have asked me to speak. The young wolves have asked me to speak. Who has? The pack alone chooses a new leader. Now Mowgli says, who has asked you to speak? The pack can only choose their own leader. Nobody from outside can choose their leader. There were angry cries from the younger wolves. Angry cries means they shouted angrily, "Silence, boy, let the tiger speak. He keeps our law." Means he is one of us, he keeps our jungle law, let him speak. But the older wolves of the pack spoke up. No, let Akela speak. But the older wolves said to ask the young wolves to keep quiet and asked Akela to speak, and says only Akela can speak up. For 12 years I have been your leader. Last night I missed my kill. Means I couldn't kill one of my animal which was I was trying to hunt. The law says you can kill me now here on the council rock. Now Akela says कि I have missed my hunt. Maybe there is a rule of the jungle that if an animal can't hunt his animal, he can be killed. Fine. So Akela says, according to the law, you can kill me here on the council rock. So I asked, will anyone here take my life tonight? Akela says, can anybody kill me tonight? The law says you can fight me only one by one. Means you can come to me to fight or to kill me one by one. Follow that. There was a long silence. No wolf wanted to fight Akela to death. No wolf wanted to kill Akela. Then Sher Khan cried out. Then Sher Khan shouted or spoke up loudly. Oh, leave this old wolf. He will die anyway. When he saw that nobody is there to kill Akela, he said, leave this old wolf. He will die himself. It is the boy who has lived too long. This boy has lived very long time in the jungle. He was mine from the start. From the beginning he was mine. Only Akela and the father and mother didn't let him have me. Give me the boy now. Now there is nobody to fight with me. Give the boy to me. Turn to page number 38. More than half the pack howled with one voice full of hate. Means all the young especially and howled. Howled is the voice of pack of the wolf. So all of them with one voice full of hate. Means they spoke hately. A man? What has a man got to do with us? Send him back to his own place. The young wolf said, this man is not a wolf. So what is he doing with us? Send him back to the village. Akela tried to calm the angry wolves. He is our brother. Akela tried to calm the young wolves, the angry wolves, by saying that he is our brother. Why do you want him to be sent to the village? Rest of the lesson I will explain you in the next video.